Imagine a world where the remedy to chronic pain, fatigue, and various illnesses is just a forkful away. This isn't science fiction, it's the power of what you eat. Inflammation, the silent villain behind numerous health woes, is a puzzle we're piecing together. Today, we'll delve deep into the anti-inflammatory properties of plant foods, unpacking how they combat this silent adversary and the steps you can take to harness their potent benefits. Stay tuned to discover delicious foods that might change your health forever. Understanding inflammation. At its core, inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, a defense mechanism. When you cut your finger or catch a cold, the body rallies its troops in the form of white blood cells and substances they produce to protect us. This results in redness, warmth, and swelling, all signs of acute inflammation. It's swift, localized, and critical to our survival. However, not all inflammation is our friend. Unlike acute inflammation that comes and goes, chronic inflammation is the uninvited guest that overstays its welcome. Lingered and low grade, it silently wreaks havoc beneath the surface, often without noticeable symptoms. And here's the alarming part. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, from heart disease, the leading cause of death globally, to diabetes, cancer, and even neurodegenerative disorders. The fingerprints of prolonged inflammation are everywhere. But what's fueling this persistent flame? One of the most influential factors is our diet. While some foods act as kindling, stoking the fire of inflammation, others are like a cooling rain, quenching the blaze and restoring balance. Recognizing and choosing the latter can be a pivotal step toward better health, and that's precisely what we'll explore in this journey. The power of plant foods. In its vast wisdom, nature has equipped plant foods with an incredible arsenal to combat inflammation. Think of plant foods as the elite soldiers on the battlefield of our body, always ready to fend off the fiery onslaught of inflammation. But what makes these foods the unsung heroes in our fight against chronic inflammation? The answer lies in the rich medley of compounds they carry. These compounds aren't just random molecules, but meticulously designed tools that have evolved over millennia to protect plants and, fortuitously, those who consume them. First up, we have antioxidants. These are the body's equivalent of a firefighter, dousing the flames caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and escalate inflammation. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds are all packed with these invaluable defenders. Next, there's the world of polyphenols, a vast and diverse group of compounds found in almost all plant foods. These are like the intelligence officers, identifying threats and signaling our body's defenses. From the vibrant hue of berries to the rich tint of red wine, polyphenols are everywhere, diligently working to stifle inflammation. Fiber, often overlooked, plays a quiet yet pivotal role. Present in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, it nurtures our gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome, in turn, ensures reduced inflammation, creating a ripple effect of wellness throughout our body. Lastly, there are omega-3 fatty acids. Not all fats fan the flames of inflammation. Omega-3s are the peacemakers, especially from plant sources like flax seeds and walnuts. They produce inherently anti-inflammatory compounds, acting as a counterbalance to other fats that might spur inflammation. Spotlight on superstars. Among the vast realm of plant foods, some stand out as the true vanguards in the fight against inflammation. Let's cast a spotlight on these superstars. Blueberries, nature's tiny sapphire gems, come loaded with powerhouses like quercetin and anthocyanins. Quercetin, a flavonoid in many fruits and vegetables, is known for its potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Anthocyanins, responsible for the deep blue hue, have been central to numerous studies. One such research insight reveals their potential to reduce inflammation markers and, in the long run, mitigate the risk of chronic diseases. Stepping into the vibrant world of leafy greens, we are greeted with a rich tapestry of nutrients, notably vitamin K and fiber. While vitamin K plays a pivotal role in bone health and wound healing, the fiber in these greens ensures robust gut health, an unsung hero in reducing inflammation. But the power of leafy greens doesn't stop there. Regular consumption has been linked to improved eye health, reduced risk of heart disease, and even support in cognitive functions. Turmeric is not just a golden-hued spice that elevates our dishes. It is the bearer of curcumin, a compound revered for its formidable anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have shown curcumin to be on par, if not superior, to some anti-inflammatory drugs, without the side effects. Consider adding a pinch of black pepper when consuming turmeric to harness its full potential. Piperine, found in black pepper, enhances curcumin absorption in our bodies. Lastly, the crowning jewels of the vegetable kingdom are broccoli and cruciferous vegetables. These vegetables house sulforaphane, a compound that has shown significant promise in neutralizing harmful inflammation. What is the trick to maximizing sulforaphane release? Chop your broccoli and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking. This activates the enzyme responsible for producing more of this powerful compound. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods. Our quest for health is not just about cherry-picking a few superfoods, but embracing a tapestry of diverse plant foods. A myriad of colors on your plate translates to various protective compounds. Every hue, be it the crimson of a tomato, the amber of a sweet potato, or the vibrant green of spinach, brings its beneficial molecules. Embracing variety ensures we don't miss out on these health-promoting gifts. The question arises, how can we effortlessly weave these foods into our daily meals? Smoothies offer an inviting canvas. A blend of berries, a handful of spinach, a sprinkle of flaxseed, and a dash of turmeric can create a potent anti-inflammatory elixir. With the added perk of being portable, it's a quick solution for on-the-go nutrition. Salads, too, serve as a versatile vessel. They can be a melange of crunchy cruciferous veggies, leafy greens, nuts, and berries. Toast them with an olive oil-based dressing, and you have a bowl brimming with goodness. Exploring the culinary world further, stir-fries and curries present a delightful opportunity. Vegetables cooked with spices like turmeric, ginger, and garlic tantalize the taste buds and amplify the anti-inflammatory benefits. While celebrating these plant-rich meals, it's equally essential to be wary of foods that fan the flames of inflammation. Highly processed foods, laden with additives and stripped of natural nutrients, can be detrimental. Excess sugar, often sneaking into our diets through sodas and packaged snacks, can be a catalyst for inflammation. And let's not forget certain oils, significantly those high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can tip the scales toward inflammation when consumed out of balance with omega-3s. Additional tips. As we navigate the landscape of anti-inflammatory foods, we must remember that our overall well-being is not hinged on diet alone. Like a symphony, where each instrument contributes to the grandeur of the performance, various aspects of our lifestyle harmonize to create the optimal state of health. Balance is, without a doubt, the maestro directing this orchestra. It's not about rigidly sticking to a list or banishing certain foods forever, but finding a harmonious equilibrium. A cake at a birthday party or a glass of wine during a celebration won't undo your efforts, as long as the overarching theme of your diet leans toward health-promoting choices. Hydration plays a pivotal role in this ensemble. Water, often underestimated, plays a profound role in flushing out toxins and ensuring every cell functions at its peak. Think of it as the rhythm section, setting the pace and ensuring every component of your body marches in tune. Then there's the dance of exercise. Physical activity, be it brisk walking, yoga, or a heart-pumping session at the gym, actively douses the fires of inflammation. It aids in releasing anti-inflammatory substances, improving blood flow, and reducing stress, a notorious accomplice of inflammation. Lastly, sleep weaves its magic in the quiet corners of our routine. A good night's sleep is a sanctuary for restoration when our body actively repairs and rejuvenates. Skimming on it can inadvertently escalate inflammation, making it paramount to prioritize this silent healer. Conclusion. Today's voyage unraveled the profound connection between plant foods and inflammation. From understanding the nature of inflammation to spotlighting superstars like blueberries and turmeric, we delved deep into how our dietary choices can sculpt our health's trajectory. Remember, an anti-inflammatory diet isn't about elusive ingredients or stringent restrictions. It's about celebrating the abundance of nature's bounty and making mindful choices. As approachable as beneficial, every meal is an opportunity to nourish and heal. If you found value in today's insights, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on a healthy lifestyle. We're curious, what anti-inflammatory foods are you eager to incorporate? Share with us in the comments below. And if you're keen on exploring more nutritional wonders, check out our previous video, Blood Sugar Management, Stabilizing Glucose Levels with Whole Foods. Your journey to holistic health is just a click away.